Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate peanut butter cheesecake. This is also no bake as well, and I am so excited, so let's get into the video. Let's get started with the crust. I'm going to get my graham crackers. I'm going to add the graham crackers to our plastic bag. I'm going to get my rolling pin and start smashing it. To the bowl, I'm going to add my graham crackers and melted butter. We're going to give this a mix. Your mixture should look something like this. We're going to add it to our springform pan. You really need a springform pan for this because this will help get your cheesecake out. I'm going to get my measuring cup and kind of press it around. Now I'm going to pop this in the fridge while we make our filling. Okay, you're going to need a large bowl for this. You're going to need 1, 2, 3 packs of cream cheese. Okay, I'm going to get my hand mixer and I'm going to whip it up until it's nice and creamy. Alright, this looks wonderful. I'm going to add in our powdered sugar and some vanilla extract. I'm going to get my spatula to scrape down the sides. I'm going to add the melted chocolate to our cream cheese mixture. Scrape down the sides real quick. Add in a little bit of heavy cream. I'm going to bring back our crust. I'm going to add in our chocolate cheesecake. Let's repeat that one more time. Get my offset spatula and smooth it all out. Alright, looks good. Time for the peanut butter layer. I'm going to add in some powdered sugar and peanut butter. Now we're going to slowly mix this all up. That took a while to mix, but now I'm going to add just a little bit of heavy cream. Alright, it's done. Now I'm going to get my offset spatula and smooth it all out. Alright, time to pop this in the fridge for about 2 to 4 hours. It is done chilling and I kind of released it from the sides a bit. Look at that. Here's the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget the recipes in the description, and all we have to do is take a bite. This is so rich and creamy and amazing. That is a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next Saturday.